mystical. At number 5, we have Canon R50, the best budget camera for sports photography. Capture the excitement of sports with the Canon R50. This crop sensor camera stands out as the best budget option for budding sports photographers. Its 24.2 megapixel sensor rivals that of more expensive models, offering sharp images without needing significant cropping. Thanks to the 1.6x crop factor, your 100mm lens feels like a powerful 160mm. This feature enhances your ability to zoom in on action, perfect for capturing athletes in motion. Shooting at 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter and 15 FPS in electronic mode ensures you won't miss key moments. This speed is vital for fast sports action, allowing you to freeze time at just the right moment. Additionally, the camera's smaller size and lighter weight make it easier to shoot all day without fatigue. While the viewfinder has lower resolution and refresh rates than full-frame competitors, it doesn't detract from the overall experience. Many users may not even notice the difference during typical shooting sessions. What I admire most about this camera is its versatility. It's a fantastic starter camera for sports photography without overwhelming features. Some may find the viewfinder resolution takes getting used to, but it encourages you to explore the display screen instead. This can enhance your photography skills through different perspectives. The Canon R50 excels as a budget-friendly sports photography option. Explore its features and see why it captures both fast-paced action and stunning moments beautifully.